The sun is just beginning to rise over an endless stretch of open highway, the kind of road that feels like it was built for legends, and right now you are standing face to face with one of the most extreme luxury adventure machines ever imagined. This is not just a camper, not just a truck, and definitely not just another vehicle review. This is the 2026 Mercedes ZETRO 6x6 camper, a rolling statement of power, freedom, and uncompromising engineering. From the very first second, this machine promises one thing clearly: wherever the road ends, your journey does not. Welcome back to Motor Plus Zone, where we don't just talk about vehicles, we experience them. If premium machines, cinematic journeys, and world-class automotive storytelling are your passion, take a moment to subscribe and ride with us, because this channel is built for viewers who appreciate the very best. Today's value is simple and powerful: a complete luxury touring experience of one of the most capable overland campers ever created, designed to dominate highways, deserts, mountains, and everything beyond civilization. As the ZETRO 6x6 rolls into view, there is an immediate sense of authority. This vehicle does not ask for attention, it commands it. The towering stance, the massive all-terrain tires, and the unmistakable Mercedes design language come together in a way that feels both industrial and elegant. This is a machine built with purpose, yet refined enough to feel at home parked outside a luxury lodge or cruising through wide American highways. The six-wheel drive configuration is not just for show. It delivers extraordinary traction, stability, and confidence, especially when the terrain turns hostile. Sand, mud, snow, rock, it does not matter. The ZETRO moves forward with calm confidence, like it already knows it will win. Underneath this bold exterior lies serious engineering. Power comes from a heavy-duty diesel engine tuned for massive torque, the kind of torque you feel deep in your chest when you press the throttle. It is not about speed alone, it is about unstoppable momentum. The transmission is designed to work seamlessly with the drivetrain, delivering smooth power on highways while offering precise control in low-speed off-road situations. Driving this machine feels deliberate and reassuring. Even at highway speeds, the ZETRO feels planted, stable, and surprisingly composed for something of this size. On long American interstates or sweeping UK countryside roads, it settles into a confident cruise that makes distance feel effortless. The real magic begins when you leave the pavement behind. This is where the 6x6 system transforms the experience entirely. With multiple locking differentials, advanced traction control, and a suspension setup designed for extreme articulation, the ZETRO glides over terrain that would stop ordinary vehicles instantly. You feel elevated, not just physically, but mentally. There is a sense of security knowing that this machine was built to handle far worse than anything you are likely to face. Steep climbs feel controlled, uneven ground feels manageable, and deep ruts become part of the adventure rather than obstacles. Step inside, and the world changes instantly. The cabin is a sanctuary, a carefully crafted space where luxury meets function. High-quality materials surround you, from premium leather seating to soft-touch surfaces and precision-finished controls. Mercedes has ensured that every switch, every dial, every screen feels intentional. The driving position is commanding, offering excellent visibility and a feeling of total control. Long hours behind the wheel do not feel tiring here. Instead, they feel immersive, like you are part of something bigger than just a drive. Technology plays a major role in shaping the experience. A large digital display provides critical vehicle information, navigation, and driving modes, all presented clearly and intuitively. Advanced driver assistance systems support you during long highway journeys, helping reduce fatigue and increase safety. Cameras positioned around the vehicle offer a clear view of your surroundings, which becomes invaluable when maneuvering such a large machine in tight environments or technical off-road sections. This is technology designed to enhance confidence, not distract from the journey. Behind the cab, the camper module is where the ZETRO truly reveals its dual personality. This is not a rough survival setup, it is a luxury mobile residence. Step inside and you are greeted by a beautifully designed living space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a camper. Natural light flows through well-placed windows, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. The layout is optimized for both comfort and efficiency, ensuring that every inch serves a purpose without feeling cramped. The sleeping area is designed for real rest, not compromise. A full-size bed with premium bedding offers the kind of comfort you would expect from a luxury hotel. After a long day of driving through remote landscapes, this space becomes your personal retreat. The kitchen area is fully equipped, featuring modern appliances, ample storage, and durable surfaces that can handle real use. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the road or enjoying a quiet dinner under the stars, everything you need is within reach. Storage is intelligently integrated throughout the camper. Cabinets, drawers, and hidden compartments provide space for gear, clothing, and supplies without cluttering the living area. This makes long-term travel not just possible, but enjoyable. Climate control ensures comfort in all conditions, whether you are parked in the heat of a desert or the cold of a mountain pass. Insulation and soundproofing keep the interior quiet and serene, even when the world outside is harsh and unpredictable. What truly sets the 2026 Mercedes ZETRO 6x6 camper apart is how it makes you feel. Driving it is not about showing off, it is about empowerment. There is a deep satisfaction in knowing you can go anywhere, stay anywhere, and live comfortably wherever you stop. On wide American highways, it feels like a luxury tourer. On remote trails, it feels like an unstoppable expedition vehicle. In quiet campsites, it becomes a peaceful home with a view that changes every night. Fuel capacity and range are designed for serious travel. Extended tanks allow you to cover vast distances without constant stops, which is essential when exploring remote regions. Power systems onboard support off-grid living, with batteries and charging solutions that keep your appliances running and your devices powered. This independence is a core part of the ZETRO experience. You are not tied to campsites or infrastructure. You choose your destination, and the vehicle supports that choice completely. Design details throughout the camper reflect thoughtful craftsmanship. Lighting is warm and adjustable, creating the right mood whether you are relaxing or working. Seating areas are comfortable and practical, ideal for enjoying a meal, planning the next leg of your journey, or simply taking in the scenery through the windows. Every element works together to create a space that feels balanced, refined, and purpose-built. On the road, the ZETRO attracts attention quietly. It does not need aggressive styling or unnecessary flair. Its presence alone tells a story of capability and prestige. Fellow travelers recognize it instantly as something special. It represents a lifestyle choice, one that values freedom, quality, and exploration without compromise. As the journey continues and the miles roll by, you realize that this vehicle is not just transporting you from one place to another. It is shaping the entire experience. It encourages you to take the longer route, to explore the unknown, to stop when the view feels right instead of when a schedule demands it. This is the true luxury the ZETRO offers: time, freedom, and confidence. And as we come closer to the end of this cinematic tour, it is the perfect moment to remind you why you are here. If this kind of premium automotive storytelling speaks to you, if you enjoy deep dives into extraordinary machines like this one, make sure you are subscribed to Motor Plus Zone. Your support